Hello all, welcome to session 10 of pyspark series. So in earlier session we have seen how to work with column transformation. We have seen the same results how to achieve using Spark SQL, right? So in this session we will discuss on select transformation. Okay, select transformation in pyspark. So if you know SQL, select in SQL is used to select the columns which we want to select, right? In the same way, here in PySpark, we'll be using select transformation to select the columns, okay? Select also and do few um, like calculations also, few more actions on data, right? But first thing I wanted to say, transformation, select transformation in PySpark, take column name as input. Okay. So select transformation should get column name as input. Okay. What is that? We'll try to understand. So, okay. Now, before starting to learn select transformation, what we'll have to do? We'll have to create the data frame. This might be redundant, but it is helpful. Okay, in getting the confidence writing the code again and again. So to create the data frame, what we need to create the schema, right? For schema, what we'll have to do, we'll have to import pyspark.sql.types import star, right? Let's import. Fine. Next, what we'll have to do, we'll have to define emp schema using struct type, right? Struct, struct field, struct field. What is the field name? Emp ID. First field is emp. You know the data. This is the data, employee ID, employee name, and salary, right? Employee ID, it is integer type. Okay. And then second is, yeah, second field is what? Emp name, which is string type, which is string type, and emp salary, which is long type, right? Long type. Fine. Okay. This is the schema we have defined. You all know this is StructType method of defining the schema, which is used mostly. Okay. Now we will create the data frame. What we will use? Spark.read. Okay. Dot format. Format is CSV. Okay. Dot what? Schema. Schema. Which is the schema? EMP schema. Right. The next spelling of schema is wrong. Right. Next is what? We have header. So we have to put option header as true, right? The next is load the file path, right? So I have file path. This is the file path to which my data is stored, right? EMPDF I have read, and let me just display. Yes, display. Okay, for our learning purpose. Okay. Okay. So EMPDF is ready, right? Now select transformation. As I said, first use of select transformation is to select the columns that we want, right? For example, now in with column transformation, we have seen how we use with column, right? Any of the function we have to use, we use F.expr, F.toDate, right? Here also, this is the standard. So what we will do? We'll just import the functions again from pyspark.sql, import functions as F, right? This is done. We have imported the functions. Now, what I'll do, I'll just create emp df1. Okay. Now, from emp df, what I want, Let's say I want to select only employee ID and employee salary column, right? What I'll do, emp df. This is first and very basic use of uh, this select transformation. I'll select the first column, which is the first column I want to select, employee ID, right? And second column is F.col. F.col. This is the standard way to select the column, right? Employee, employee salary, right? So let's say I have selected these two columns. Okay. F.col, this is standard way we can select the columns. There is one more, like directly you can enter the columns list over here. You can put it like this as well. EMP ID and EMP salary. This is also fine, but this is the, I would say, coding wise also and standards wise also, this is the right approach. Okay. For learning purpose, this is fine. Okay. This will also work. This will also work, right? But this is as per the data engineering standards, right? Right. Now I'll just display empdf1 dot display, and you will see it has only two columns, right? So it works same as SQL select, right? That also we will see. Okay. Now using select transformation also, we can perform few operations on the data. Like for example, earlier we did, like we have increased the salary by 6%, right? That we did using with column transformation. How we did that using with column? Just for your information, I'll just explain that again. With column, if I have to create the new column, then for example, first one, if I don't have to create the new column, emp salary, okay, f.expr, emp employee salary into 1.06. This is how we achieved using with column transformation, right? Let me display this with column. You aware, right? How we achieved that using with column transformation, right? You can see salary has increased by 6%. Now, how to achieve this using select transformation? Let me create empdf3. Okay. What I'll do, empdf dot select, right? So in select, what I have to do, I have to select my employee ID as it is. Okay. Then I have selected. I have to select employee name as it is. Fine. I have selected. Okay. Now, third one, what I have to do is f.expr. Okay. What I have to do is employee emp salary into 1.06 as emp salary, right? This is I think expr we same way we have used with column transformation as well, right? You can see, yes. Okay. emp salary. Right. Okay. Here we have to give add. Okay. There is one more way to this also, that also I'll explain, but this is how we achieve using select transformation, right? empdf3 dot display. Let's see now, right? Okay. So this is one way to achieve it using select transformation. I think this, as it is a kind of SQL approach. Okay. Same thing we can achieve using PySpark approach, right? Pure PySpark. How to do that? empdf4 I'll create using select transformation only. Select, select. What we'll do, we will select emp ID as it is, right? Second column, we will select emp name as it is. Okay. Now third, what I have to do? EXPR, right? I'll write the expression emp underscore salary into 1.06. Now, instead of as, what I can do, I can use alias. Okay. emp salary. right? Instead of as it is it is like SQL approach. Instead of using as, we can use alias. This is like a standard PySpark coding, right? Let me do that and I'll show you. empdf4 dot display, right? empdf4 dot display. So you can see we can do calculations as well using select. Okay, and here we are giving column names as input, right? Okay, and we have used alias. Alias is to, so here what is it has done, it has updated the existing column, right? Now what is the way to create new column, right? In case of with column, we have created new column as well. So let me show you how we did that using with column. Okay, that may be redundant, but um you must be thinking why he is showing this again and again. It is because if you practice it well again and again, practice is the key, right? So I have created new column, new salary, and what I want to achieve in new salary is emp salary into 1.06. It is into, right? So this is how we achieved this. Using with column transformation, we created new column, right? We have existing column as employee salary, and we have created new column as new salary. Now how to achieve this using select transformation, right? How to create a new column using select transformation. Let me do this. Select. Now you all know what we have to do. We have to select. So first three columns we'll have to select as it is, right? Because I have to create new columns. So I'll be selecting first three columns as it is, right? emp name, okay, f.col, emp salary, right? Now I have to create new column. What I have to do, same operation function I'll use, employee salary into 1.06, okay, dot alias, what, new salary, right? So here how alias will work. If this column is not existing, it will create the new column. Here this column was existing, so it has updated the existing column, right? Let's see. empdf6, okay, df6 dot display, right? Mhm. Yes, you can see it has created new column. So this is how we can achieve the same results using with column transformation and select transformation as well, right? And this is the standard approach, standard way. Instead of using as, if we use alias, that will be more PySpark perspective, right? So these are the variants we have seen. We have seen how we achieve the same results using with column transformation and select transformation. Now, the only simple thing we will do, what we will do, we will just achieve the same results using Spark SQL. If you know SQL, I think that will be very easy for you. But let me still explain you. So I'm creating a temp view. I'm creating temp view. I'm not creating global temp view because I want to access this table only for this session. I'm just reiterating so that you understand it better, right? Now select transformation in PySpark. As I said, it works same as SQL. So what I have to do here, let's say I'll select emp ID, emp name. Okay, let's say I want to update the existing column. So what I'll do, employee salary into 1.06 as emp salary from what, employee, right? I have to write dot display. You all know, we have already seen, right? So what it has done, it has updated the existing column, right? Now to create new column using Spark SQL, let me write this way. So I have to select employee salary as it is. Okay. What I'll do here, I'll just write as new salary. So as you can see, it is SQL approach, right? In case of PySpark, we have used alias, right? Okay. So you can see it has created a new column, right? So first, what we have seen is whatever results we are creating using with column transformation, same we achieved using select transformation. Also, whatever output we have achieved using PySpark data frame, same output we are able to achieve using Spark SQL as well, right? So that was it. I think for this session, all these codes I'll give you in the video description, right? If you feel this is helpful, definitely do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay. If you have some suggestions, definitely let me know in comment section. I'll implement those as well, right? But this is how basic use of select transformation, how we can implement that, right? Uh, that's fine. I think I'll see you in next session. Thank you so much for watching.